Hello friends, your friend Nishchal is back with another video. As in my another video, I told you about converting your smart TV to your computer using eyeball Splendo PC on stick. But many of my friends can have all LCD TV and there may or may not be HDMI port. And their computer are outdated or not working and they are looking for some cheap solution. Then eyeball Splendor PC on stick is best solution. Today I will tell you how can you use smartly your old monitor or LCD for this Splendor PC on stick. Or if you don't have, you can bring from one of your friend or buy second hand LCD on very cheap price. If you will check, there is a female VGA slot in every LCD or monitor. Straight solution is there is a connector comes in the market which is a male VGA and female HDMI, but this is a little costly, that will be around 1000 rupees, and probably it will give you problem to connect because in some LCD VGA slot is downside. So connecting connector then our Splendo stick could not be possible. So there is an alternative way which is little lengthy but more easy, cheap, flexible, durable and experimented solution. For that you require three type of connectors. One is male VGA to male VGA, that will cost around 100 rupees. Another is female VGA to male HDMI, that will cost around 400 rupees. And third one is female to female HDMI, that is cost around 200 rupees. I have provided links to buy in the description below. Along with your old monitor, you must have a VGA cable which is male on both hand, or you can buy it, that's very cheap. Attach one side of the male VGA cable in your LCD female port. Attach another side of the male VGA cable with female VGA side of second connector. Attach male HDMI side of second connector with female side of third connector. And now attach your Splendor stick on the empty end of third connector. So that's ready. It will be like this. Using multiple connectors, it is cheap as compared to single connector, and it is more flexible because these connectors can be reused for a number of purposes. Splendor stick is around 6000 rupees, whereas three connector combined are cost around 700 rupees. And if we have to buy a old monitor, that could be a free or it could be around 1000 rupees. So the whole system can be made in 7000 to 8000 around. So thanks friends for watching my video. Hopefully it helps you to make your home PC in less than best price. Please like my video, share with your friends and subscribe my channel for more videos. Don't forget to press bell button on the side of subscriber to get notification of my new videos. Thank you.